the next 10 upcoming videos on Anthony Kujo AI. 1. 5 AI tools. Every beginner needs to know. Discover the top 5 beginner-friendly AI tools: ChatGPT, Claude, Grok, Runway ML, and Descript, with detailed usage guides, pros, cons, and pricing to kickstart your AI journey. 2. How to create stunning AI videos with Runway ML and Descript. Learn step-by-step how to use Runway ML and Descript to produce professional quality videos, from text to video generation to text-based editing, perfect for beginners. 3. ChatGPT versus Claude versus Grok. Which AI chatbot wins for beginners? Compare ChatGPT, Claude, and Grok for writing, coding, and research, highlighting their strengths, weaknesses, and beginner-friendly features to help you choose the best AI assistant. 4. Automate your workflow with Zapier AI and XAI APIs. Explore how Zapier AI and XAI APIs can automate repetitive tasks like scheduling and data analysis, with practical setups for beginners to save hours weekly. 5. Write a book in days with ChatGPT and Pseudo-Write Master AI-powered book writing with ChatGPT and Pseudo-Write, covering outlining, drafting, and editing for aspiring authors or businesses, creating ebooks. 6. Top 10 AI image generators for stunning visuals. Dive into the top 10 AI image generators like Midjourney, DALL-E, and Grok's Imagine, with usage tips and pricing to create logos, thumbnails, or art effortlessly. 7. How to use AI for research. Grok, Perplexity, and beyond. Learn how Grok and Perplexity AI streamline research with real-time search and sourced answers, offering beginners tools to study or analyze trends efficiently. 8. Build an AI-powered business. 5 ideas to start today. Discover 5 scalable AI-driven business ideas, from content agencies to virtual assistants, using tools like ChatGPT and Claude, with startup tips for beginners. 9. Create engaging social media content with Canva AI and CapCut. Use Canva AI and CapCut to craft eye-catching social media posts and reels, with step-by-step guides for beginners to boost engagement and save time. 10. AI for education. Build courses with Teachable AI and Claude. Learn how to create personalized online courses using Teachable AI and Claude, with tips for beginners to design engaging lessons and monetize knowledge.